Mrs. Walden. I'm going to be talking to you today about the first question on paper 3, Weimar and Nazi Germany. And this is our inference question. So this is where you will be given a source. This can be a picture or a photograph, or it could be a written source. And you have to use the inference grid, the table shown here, and make an inference and then support it with details from the source, and another inference and support it with details from the source. So the question says, start by looking at the question. Give 2 things you can infer from source A about the Hitler Youth. So anything that we can write down that gives us information about the Hitler Youth. Now remember, the word infer means suggests or implies. Now, when it's a written source, it's really, really important that we don't write in the details in the source the same words we use here as we do in the inference. So the first thing that I can see is happening is that these young people look very organised. So I'm going to write my description in the details. So this is the description from source A. The boys are organised and stood calmly in an orderly line. They're almost military, aren't they? So I'm going to infer that the Hitler Youth was regimented or military. Okay, so you would get 1 mark for each. The second thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to say in my detail that the Hitler Youth are dressed in uniform, which is smart. And it appears to me here, although they're dressed in uniform, it appears to me that he's checking his fingernails. So, checking cleanliness. So, checking how clean his hands are. So, what can I infer from this? The Hitler Youth were organised, military, and being clean and, I don't use the word smart, do I? Because I've used the word smart there. And well dressed. Good luck with those.